square root of a perfect square. Square roots ask a very interesting question. They ask, in this case, what number times itself equals 16? You can do a little guess and check if you're not sure. 2 times itself is 4, that doesn't work. 3 times itself, 9, that doesn't work. 4 times itself equals 16. Therefore, the square root of 16 is 4. All right, let's do one more. The square root of 36 is asking the question of what number times itself equals 36. The answer is 6, because 6 times 6 is indeed 36.